Welcome back to Autoscope. Kenworth Motorhome 2026. Modern and sleek exterior. Iconic front fascia with a leaner and more integrated design. The headlights will probably employ cutting-edge LED technology. Elegant side profile. The body lines will be redesigned to improve fuel efficiency and aerodynamics by lowering wind resistance. Large windows with glass for seclusion. Practical and stylish rear. LED taillights with a contemporary design will improve visibility and appearance. Superior materials. The motorhome's body will probably be constructed using composite materials that are both lightweight and robust. Wheels and suspension. The Kenworth chassis, renowned for its strength, will be used in the motorhome. Comfortable and elegant interiors, flexible layouts, or range of interior designs, including ones with roomy master suites, may be available. Premium materials. The inside will be furnished with premium materials, such as leather or soft fabric upholstery for chairs and couches. Gourmet Kitchens. These kitchens will be furnished with high-end appliances such as convection ovens, microwaves, huge freezers and refrigerators, gas or induction cooktops with several burners, and possibly dishwashers. Modern entertainment areas. Large flat-screen TVs in the living room and bedrooms will be part of the integrated entertainment systems that come standard. Ambient lighting, LED lighting systems that can be adjusted. Extra features and technologies. Advanced HVAC system, regardless of the outside weather. A dual-zone heating and cooling system will guarantee comfortable temperatures throughout the RV. A strong battery bank, an inverter, and a high-capacity generator make up a dependable electrical system. Security features. Residents will feel more at ease thanks to cutting-edge security systems like motion sensors, alarms, connectivity to charge electronic devices. There will be power outlets, USB ports, and wireless chargers located throughout the room.